Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
So if you're going to reuse a liner that's already been cut, basically what's going to happen is when you put that all together, sometimes when you put this on, you can't get enough bite on that liner. It's too short. So again, step on your cable, twist it counterclockwise, which is going to make the liner get longer, so it's going to grow, okay? And then that'll give me the space to work with where I can slide this on. And then we're just going to redo the procedure again. We'll tighten the cap. I'm going to let this go clockwise because I don't want all this sticking out. I'm just going to push it down with my thumb to wherever that stick out is that I personally wanted it. And then we're going to feel it grab, give it half a turn, back in business. I will say one other thing is the more times you reuse a liner, sometimes that half a turn might be slightly more. You'll feel it. You'll know what feels tight. And then you can, as always, you can do your twist test, make sure it doesn't move.